Okay, hello. So today in part 22, I'm going to be teaching about tick. So tick, it's a really simple function. You're definitely gonna use it in like mini game style games. So tick, it's pretty much just a timer. Use it as a function and it just starts going up like a timer. I think it's like a, actually no. So let me really quickly make a script in script service, or just use the last video's one again. Tick. So I'm just gonna make a variable called you know what the name should be. So I'll just name it var equals tick, and that's it. I can now just print my variable, or I could just print tick straight away. But this actually so tick tells you the time from the 1st of January in 1970, I think. So this is how many seconds it's away from the 1st of January in 1970. Or is it 1971? No, it's 1970. So yeah, that's basically what tick is. So obviously this is pretty useless, but if you want to use it as a timer, you will do... Okay, so to use this timer, let me make a button real quick. So I'll just make this, I'll scale it, I'll duplicate it, button, I'm gonna name this stand, button S, now it's button, there we go. And let's make this really red, and let's make this black. Okay, so we have our little button here. We group it, we name it button. We add in a click detector here and a script here. So local cd, short for click detector equals script dot parent dot button dot click detector. Local. So let's do let me think. Let's do it that it'll tell us how much the server has lasted for. So local server start equals tick. There we go. And now cd dot activated, or I mean mouse click connect function. I don't need the player. So we need to print the tick minus the server start. So it's tick minus server start. So if you press the button, we can see how long the server has lasted for. 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Obviously we can round it as well with the previous math function we learned, math.round. Now it'll give us one number: 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. So this is the main use for tick, I'd say. There's really no other reason I'd use this for. But yeah, that's tick. It's pretty much just a timer. You can make it a timer at least. Yeah, there's nothing really else to say about tick. That's everything for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. So